Sir Rajan was born on 29th May 1960 in the beautiful valley of Nainital to Mr. D.C. Lal and Mrs. Agnes Lal. He was the third child of his parents, and at the very young age of 4 years, he lost his father, and since then, he had to face the real world. As a toddler, he went to Sacred Heart School, Sitapur, and later on completed his education from Bishop Conrad School, Bareilly. As he was completing his higher education, he adapted the maxim, "Earn while you learn," and took some jobs to support his family. Since childhood, Sir Rajan was fortunate enough to have Reverend Father Anthony D'Souza of Lucknow Diocese as his mentor and guide, and under whose guidance he blossomed. In his early 20s, he came to Lucknow with determination and conviction and worked under Brother Julian to learn the art of architecture. As he was fledging into construction line, he decided to come and see how the work of St. Xavier's Mariam was going on. And as destiny proposed, he took the reins in his hands and decided to bring the school on a concrete pedestal from Gupta building to its own independent stature. Working tirelessly to fulfill his convictions, Sir Rajan still proves to be the strongest pillar of St. Xavier's Mariam. In the year 1987, he met Reverend Father David in Bhadoi. From then, they became good friends, the ones who shared their joys and sorrows together, standing by each other always. In 1988, with the formation of St. Xavier's Educational Society, he became the manager of the society. Being a manager, he proved to be the most humble and approachable person to whom all could share their problems and seek help.
नमस्ते। राजन भाई को हमसे विदा लेके अभी साल बीत रहा है। उनकी अनुपस्थिति आपको कैसी लगती है यह मैं नहीं जानता, लेकिन मुझे तो बहुत खलती है। मैं उनको कई वर्षों से जानता हूँ और मेरे छोटे भाई की तरह है वो, या यूँ कहूँ दोस्त की तरह। और पिछले 8-10 वर्षों से हम लोग बहुत करीब आ चुके हैं। पहले जब राजन से मिला था, उनका व्यक्तित्व बहुत गंभीर था, वास्तव में डरावना व्यक्तित्व। लेकिन धीरे धीरे मैंने देखा कि उसका व्यक्तित्व बिल्कुल बदल गया। मैं बहुत मजाक करता था, वो गाड़ी चलाती थी, मैं सामने की सीट पे बैठता था, हम दोनों इतना मजाक करते थे। मैंने देखा कि उसका चेहरा ही बदल गया और इसीलिए हम लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत चाहते थे। जब उसको हंसना होता था, आश्रम आया करता था। बात मजाक की नहीं है, बात एक गहराई की, मित्रता की है। राजन भाई के अंदर एक अलग व्यक्तित्व था जो लोगों ने देखा नहीं, पहचाना नहीं। बाहर से कुछ कटु लगते थे, बाहर से कुछ गंभीर लगते थे, लेकिन अंदर बहुत प्यारा सा व्यक्तित्व था। मैं जानता हूं उसको मेरे प्रति और आश्रम के प्रति बहुत प्यार था। आश्रम के लिए कुछ भी करने को तैयार होते थे। आश्रम में बहुत सारे जो निर्माण के कार्य उनके जरिए हुआ है, उन्होंने बहुत मदद की आश्रम को। तो राजन भाई हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़े सहयोगी थे, साथ ही साथ एक बहुत अच्छे मित्र थे। आज मैं प्रभु को धन्यवाद देता हूं उनके लिए, और उनके द्वारा दिए गए सारे कार्यों के लिए धन्यवाद देता हूं। और आज बड़ी श्रद्धा के साथ मैं उनको याद करता हूं। मैं प्रार्थना करता हूं कि प्रभु तो उनके सारे पापों और अपराधों को क्षमा कर अनंत शांति प्रदान करना। और आज के दिन और आने वाले दिनों में राजन भाई से हम लोग प्रेरणाएं प्राप्त करेंगे, विशेष करके लोगों की मदद करने और लोगों के दुखों में उनको सहयोग देने का। धन्यवाद।
Being a person from the hills, nature was something very close to his heart. From the barren land which St. Xavier's had, to making it a lush green premise it presently is, he left no stones unturned. Sir Rajan, though not present with us today, will never be forgotten. From just a little teenager with big dreams and strong convictions, To becoming the torchbearer of education in Marigaon, he covered unreaching milestones in a very short time. His principles and ideals will guide us forever. We all here at St. Xavier's strive to live your legacy and make you proud, spreading smiles and joy and leading ourselves and our society from darkness to light will be our goal.
Sir Rajan and Anupa were happily blessed by Father Anthony Rodrigues. Sir Rajan was an inspiration and love for many. He lived with a huge heart and believed in spreading love. When his final time came, he was also shown with much love and respect. However, the kind gesture and love shown by the respectable priests of the Varanasi diocese was a tribute unmatched, a tribute any lay person seldom receives. As we here at St. Xavier's continue to live his legacy, we are happy to announce that the hall, which was in fact his last piece of construction, is dedicated to his name.